Now there are demolitions going on in Nairobi. The government has moved with a lot of speed to destroy people's property, houses that people used a lot of resources to construct this property. And the government has moved and caused a lot of chaos in these slum areas. It's still raining. People are spending in the cold. People are spending in the rains. The government does not care. President has run away to the United States of America. He's gone there to have fun, because when we see him, he's just greeting people, merrying around, using 200 million to hire a private jet, while that 200 million can be used to resettle these flood victims, further adding insult to an injury by destroying their houses. How inhuman can President Rutop be to move and destroy people's structures, houses, businesses? We will not take this lightly as Nairobians, because this is affecting so many lives. Over 40,000 lives, over 40,000 families in Nairobi are being affected. They are being left homeless, and the president is advising them to build on the hill. The only house on the hill is State House. So should they come and get accommodated at State House? And number two, you constructed the affordable housing, the houses that you've been promoting day in, day out for hustlers. Why can't you give these hustlers these houses? We don't support the demolitions that is taking place across Nairobi, and that is affecting the livelihood of so many families. Children cannot go to school simply because they don't have where they will come back to as a house. So we need to treat Kenyans with a lot of respect, treat Nairobians with a lot of respect. And these demolitions must stop with an immediate effect. Thank you. Thank you very much, Kenyans. I want to talk about the junior secondary school teachers. These teachers have been frustrated by the government. The government has refused to confirm these teachers as permanent and pensionable teachers. They were promised 1 year ago that they were going to take the internship program for a period of 12 months. Thereafter, they were supposed to be confirmed as permanent and pensionable teachers, earning at least a sizable amount of money. Right now, a junior secondary school teacher is earning 17,000 Kenya shillings. That teacher has children, has other expenses to take care of, rent, food, clothing, transport, children to pay fees for them, and they cannot afford using that because the money is too little. In the hardship areas, the JSS teachers should be paid 47,000 Kenya shillings, 47,000 Kenya shillings, and in other areas they are supposed to be paid 38,000 Kenya shillings, and therefore the government should keep their promise. The court has already made a ruling, and the government should not go against this ruling. There should be no contempt of the court's decision to employ the JSS teachers as permanent and pensionable teachers, and therefore they should not be discriminated on, which is against the spirit of the Constitution. They should be treated as normal teachers. They should be given these jobs because they deserve these jobs. And as Babu Owino, together with other members of parliament, we stand with the JSS teachers. Thank you and God bless.